talk too much, too fast, too loud, too long. Words crash down on me like a river, wild and strong. They fill up the room, but I can hardly hear what really matters here. Words like a waterfall, they're everywhere they fall, flowing from every mouth, filling up the silent hall. Sometimes heavy, sometimes bare, sometimes healing, sometimes more. Words like a waterfall, and they don't leave the shore. Some words weigh so much, fragile, small, and shy. Others are irreplaceable, can bring hope and light. But too often in the stream, the true sound disappears. The precious gets lost, drowned in the fear. Words like a waterfall, they're everywhere they fall, flowing from every mouth, filling up the silent hole. Sometimes heavy, sometimes bare, sometimes healing, sometimes more. Words like a waterfall, and they don't leave the shore. So many words like sand on the beach, like drops in the sea, slipping through my reach. I'm searching for the one that stays, the one